Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is psychology and today we are going to learn about personality types. So lot of classification are done on the personality based on your physics, based on your behavior, based on many things by making a close observation on individual. Different psychologists has given different kind of classifications. So we'll discuss about that today. Now, first is a trait classification. It is given by R.B. Kettle. So, he has made an important trait in personality. He said it is common trait, unique trait, and surface trait and source trait. So, he mainly explained four traits in personality. Now, the common trait means a behavior which we can see commonly among all the people. So, everyone we can see that behavior. For example, now friendly. See, I'll be very friendly. You also may be very friendly person. See, this is a common trait we can notice in many people. Then, unique trait. Now, unique trait means this behavior you can see in a few people or special behavior what we can notice in such people. If you see like Mother Teresa, who known for her loving and caring humbleness, Mahatma Gandhi, who known for his truthfulness, he always said truth. When we do, sometimes, yeah. So this is called unique trait. Next is surface trait. Now, surface trait means where you can observe that behavior in others. Or surfacely, you can notice that behavior in others, like helping, caring, friendly, such kind of things you can notice. Next is source trait. Here you are not able to observe such behavior in individual. So it will be hidden like jealous, they are suspicious, generous, such kind of behavior. So now R.B. Kettle has given four a trait in personality. Okay. The next type is given by Hippocrates. He has given a classification. He made a four classification in personality. He made four classification. Sanguine personality. Sanguine. Here people are optimistic. They are happy, hopeful. They are very enjoying. They are accommodating themselves anywhere. They are able to make an adjustment and they would like to live a happy life. They are sanguine type of personality people. Next, phlegmatic. Now, these people are calm, cold, and they're slow. Such people are calm, cold, and slow. Next is melancholic personality. Now, melancholic personality people are they're sad, they're depressed, they're dejected, pessimistic, and self-involved. They're involved in their own ideas and own dreams. And the fourth category is choleric personality. In choleric personality, they are irritable, strong, active, and imaginative. So, this is the four types given by Hippocrates: sanguine, phlegmatic, melancholic, and choleric. Okay. Next type is given by Christmer. Now, Christmer has given a personality classification. He made a three types in personality. Christopher made three types in personality. Picnic means here the people are little heavy, they're little fat and with the hefty bodies. Now these people personalities, they are very sociable, they are very joy, happy, easygoing, like they are kind of good nature people. They look, the physical appearance, they are little fat. Next, athletic kind of personality. Here, they're having a good body, good muscular strength, stamina. And these people are energetic, optimistic, and adjustable. This is the nature, personality of that athletic personality. Next is leptosomic personality. Here, these people are thin and tall, thin and very slim in their personality. And they are unsociable, sentiment, and pessimistic. So now these three type of personality classification is given by Christopher. Next classification is given by Jung. Jung has made a classification of personality. He made two types: introvert and extrovert. Now introvert people are like they think about themselves, they involved in their own activities and thinking, They are bothered about themselves, and they are worried about all the ongoing things of their life, and socially withdrawal, no much emotional attachment. They always sad kind of people, and they just not so open enough to others. They just involved in their own business, like writer, philosophers, scientists, such kind of people. Now, extroverts, they're completely ulta to these introvert people. They're happy go lucky people. They are always bothered about the outside ongoing activities. They are like interested to take part in the activities. They are friendly, more sociable, and adjusting with the realities. They make lot of adjustment, and failures doesn't affect much to them. If they fail in one, they will make a second attempt to get a success. For example, now politicians or social workers, lawyers, insurance agents, salesmen. You see, if you don't buy one product, they will have ready-made another product. So they will show that. So this is the classification given by Jung. Next, Allport classification. Now Allport has given a classification. He made ascendant and descendant personality. Now ascendant personality means here they are little dominant. They will take up the responsibility. Also, they are able to make an adjustment in their life, and they'll be always happy. Now descendant, they will be little pessimistic. They think much. They involved in their own activity, and they are like what kind of people? They are self-critical, self-analytic. Always think about what I did is correct, what I did is wrong, how I should do. See, always bother about themselves. So this classification is given by Allport. 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 Allport has given this classification. Okay, students, I'll summarize. See, we learned about personality classification. Many people has given different kind of personalities. So, R.B. Kettle has said a trait in personality. He said 4 trait. Common trait, unique trait, surface trait, and source trait. Next, Hippocrates has given the classification is sanguine personality, phlegmatic personality, melancholic personality, and choleric personality. Then Krustmer has given the classification. He did pycnic, athletic, leptosomatic personality. Then Jung made a classification introvert and extrovert. Allport made a classification of personality ascendant and descendant personality. I hope you understood. Please keep read. These words are really technical and difficult to pronounce. Even I was finding difficulty to pronounce. So I request you, please listen it again. Please pronounce and learn again, because the spelling is also very important. If you say that, see here, pycnic, that means P-Y-K-N-I-C, pycnic personality. So you need to know the personality. Please read the books. Please understand, so that you can write about this question. You can expect 2 year 5 marks question in this, and you can write all the classification which is given by different psychologists. I hope you understood. Please keep watching, keep reading, and I'll see you in the next class. Take care of yourself, and thank you.